Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss lesson 9, Phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Cnidaria. Phylum Cnidaria includes aquatic animals mostly found in marine environments. They are commonly called coelenterats. You can see these are some examples of coelenterats. They are found in marine environment. General characteristics: eukaryotic and multicellular animals. Cnidarians are eukaryotic and multicellular animals. They show tissue level organization, mostly marine with few freshwater forms. Most organisms of phylum Cnidaria are marine, but only few organisms are found in fresh water. Body is radially symmetrical. It means body can be divided into two equal halves along more than one plane. They are diploblastic animals. They have two cellular layers. These are examples of coelenterats. This diagram shows they are radially symmetrical. Body can be divided into two equal halves along this line, also along this line, also along this line, also along this line. That's why it's called radial symmetrical organisms. Body structure: body wall consists of two cell layers. Outer is epidermis and then gastrodermis, that's the inner layer, and middle jelly-like layer is called mesogilia. This is outer layer epidermis and this is middle jelly-like layer. And there are some cells, few cells in this jelly-like layer, mesogilia. And gastrodermis, it's an inner layer. Gastrocavity: Cnidarians have a central digestive cavity called gastrovascular cavity. It helps in digestion and distribution of nutrients. Opening serves as both mouth and anus. You can see in the diagram, this is the opening. This is the opening. It serves as mouth as well as anus. Cnidocytes and nematocysts, special cells called cnidocytes, are present on tentacles. They contain nematocysts. Nematocysts help in capturing prey and also help in defense against enemies. These outgrowths are called as tentacles, and these tentacles contain nematocyst. This is nematocyst. These are nematocyst. You can see this is nematocyst. This is a defensive and offensive organ. This nematocyst can attack to the eye of a fish. You can imagine these cells are very dangerous for the enemies. Body forms of Cnidaria. Cnidarians exist in two forms: polyp, cylindrical, attached form, hydra, corals, and second form is medusa. Medusa, free swimming, umbrella shaped form. Example is jellyfish. This is polyp form, cylindrical, attached form, hydra, corals. It has tentacles. Medusa, free swimming, umbrella shaped form, jellyfish. These are two types of forms in Cnidarian cells. Reproduction in Cnidaria. Reproduction occurs both sexually and asexually. Asexual reproduction, budding in hydra. Hydra reproduce asexually by the process of budding. And sexual reproduction, it involves formation of gametes and fertilization. You can see asexual reproduction by the process of budding. A bud is formed on the surface of hydra. This bud grows larger, and finally this bud separated from the parent organism. This is a type of asexual reproduction. And sexual reproduction, formation of gametes and fertilization. Male hydra produces sperms and female hydra produces eggs. These eggs and sperms combine. Fertilization occurs in water, and zygote develops into larva, and this larva eventually transformed into a young hydra. Life cycle, metagenesis. Many cnidarians show alternation between polyp and medusa forms. Polyp usually reproduces asexually. Medusae reproduces sexually. In this way, you can see there is a mature medusa. It gives rise polyp generation, and polyp generation give rise to a medusa generation. In this way, alternation of generation occurred. Major classes of cnidaria: hydrozoa, mostly polyp form, example hydra. Cyphozoa, true jellyfish, example Aurelia. Anthozoa, these are corals and sea anemones. Examples and importance. Examples are hydra, jellyfish, sea anemone, corals. You can see this is a hydra, and this is a jellyfish, and this is a sea anemone, and this is a coral. Importance: coral reefs provide habitat for marine organisms. Coral reef provides habitats for marine organisms. You can see the fish. Coral reefs are providing habitat to the fish and also providing habitat to the starfish and other aquatic organisms. Thank you.